Alright everybody, this is the video that you've been waiting for. The completion of the Fender VibroVerb clone. Wyatt and his dad were up here this weekend to pick it up. Later on in the video, you'll be able to hear Wyatt play his new toy. I just want to let you know that Wyatt busted his butt through winter, did odd jobs, and he saved up every penny for this build. So it's very cool that he's willing to put forth that effort to get what he wants. And he did, okay? The other thing that I want to bring up, it's very important to me, is the donations that I've been receiving lately after launching my new website. So first off, when Wyatt and his dad was here, his dad actually donated to the shop. Brought me this nice little Marantz 2216 receiver. It's a project, and I'll be presenting that in a future YouTube video. He also brought me my favorite wine, Robert Mondavi. So I'll be drinking that while we go through the donation list. And there's been quite a few of them, and many of them are you guys, my subscribers on YouTube. So it's very cool to see the donations, and I say, oh, I know that guy. Oh, I know this gal. Okay, so I had to make a list because there's quite a few of them. So first, I've got Kenny Norton. He sent me $21 through PayPal. Christine Schroeder, she is a long time YouTube subscriber of mine and actually fixed, I think it was a Harmony amp for her. So she's been here at the shop. Very cool. I appreciate it, Kristen. And then we got Ron C. So Ron C. and I have known each other for quite some time. We converse quite a bit on email. And he's always on there, on the comments, supporting everything I'm doing. He's been a good friend. I appreciate it, Ron. I got Mike McNull, I think it is. Sorry. Anyway, Mike sent me 10 bucks. Very cool, man. Thank you very much. Jay Clark. He and I have conversed quite a few times, and he kept telling me, Terry, you need your donation button on your website to work. Because when I had it through reverb.com, the button broke, right? So he always wanted to send me something, and he did. He threw 75 bucks at me. Very cool. Benjamin Moore, he actually found me through Reverb. We worked on a few projects together, and he donated to the shop. Jay and Linda Talley have been donating to me over the last 2 or 3 years. So they have like a $10 per month deal. So it's kind of like my little mini Patreon account, okay? And I have another one here, is John Goodman. I don't know who this guy is. He hasn't conversed with me. I have not seen him on YouTube, but he has set up a $15 per month donation to the shop. So it's very cool, guys. I should have done these changes to my website a long time ago. So I've been getting some comments about the structure of it. You guys like the simplicity of it, and I'm going to maintain that. The other thing that I want to do for the future people that are donating is I'm going to update the website and have a running list each month of who has donated and what the amounts are. I think that's a good way for me to advertise the fact that you guys are helping me out. And this shop is going to be undergoing many updates here in the future, and every penny of that will go into the new flooring, painting, test equipment, etc. in the shop, and of course, more wine. Alright, let's cut to Wyatt, and you guys can hear the VibroVerb. Thanks again, everyone. Come over here with you, man. Hey everybody, I've got Wyatt here to pick up the VibroVerb. I know you guys have all been waiting for this. So here he is. I've given him the guided tour. He actually paid me, which is a good thing. So he's gonna let her rip and show you guys what it's all about. And this has that Weber speaker in it still. So should be a great machine, man. Hit it. controls. Too much reverb or is that okay? We good? All right. Speaker okay, you think? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all right, man.
Sounds great.
Yeah, well, with you playing it.
Surprised he's not trying to turn it up.
Crank it up, come on, man, I don't care.
Want a little louder?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, there you go.
So, was that worth all the snow you had to shovel?
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, man. Sounds great.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Okay, I won't.
Alright, so now Wyatt's going to play his Marshall. I just added master volume to it. So he's going to give that a little test and give you guys some more of his style playing. That's the best part. Here we go. Cool. So you're going to be a long-term D-Lab customer, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. We got some more projects coming up, right?
Yep.
We'll have to introduce that later.
The amp.
Appreciate it, man. Yeah, the Amp Pro sitting right over there on top of that Marantz. As a matter of fact, I'll show this real quick. So these guys brought over this cabinet that we're going to build in. Down below is a Marantz receiver that was donated to D-Lab, and right around the corner is a fresh bottle of Robert Mondavi. Because, oh, let me do this selfie time. Because everybody knows that I work for wine, man.
Yeah.
I will. Because if I get cash, Marcia takes it away from me. Cool, man. Appreciate you coming up.